Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to appear offline on Discord. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! One of the reasons Discord remains a popular platform is because it's so easy to communicate with the groups and server you want, moving between communities and choosing text or voice chatting depending on what you're in the mood for. But sometimes you're not in the mood for anything and would rather just appear offline so you aren't bothered. How to do it? It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Discord. Now, as you can see in here, I'm still online. Anyone can see when I'm opening my Discord. Now you can click in here. You can edit your status from online. You can choose idle or do not disturb. But because you don't want anyone can see that you're online, you can choose on invisible. You will not appear online, but will have full access to all Discord. After that, if you still worse, anyone can see your online on your Discord, you can go to the user settings. Click on user settings. You can just scroll down. Now you can go to activity privacy. On your activity status, you can just disable this activity status. When this activity status is active, so when you play detectable game or other application that supports reach person, Discord can display information about those activities, including when and how you engage. So you can just disable this feature from your Discord. So now we can open your Discord without bothered from anyone because no one can see that you're online on your Discord. It's very simple, right? So that is how to appear offline on Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!